Well, we've had a few bits and pieces come in this week.
More bits and pieces.
More bits and pieces. So last week I brought in one of the big Overland sets. We got some more of those in, so we have some different eras, which I try to bring them in. It'd just be nothing but Overland sets. Filling the screen. So we've got some modern stuff, we've got some early stuff, we've got some stuff in between. So there's some 3-pack add-on sets out there.
Add-ons?
Actually, no, they've got one left. Yeah, someone else came and grabbed one before. Yeah, anyway, we did have them, but we've
Have they been asking you to sign the boxes?
Not this week. No.
Hey.
What?
What'd you do last week? Don't know.
I can't remember.
Welcome back.
What did I do last week? I think I told you, but I can't remember now.
So you got the Overland, so we've got not much left. Couple of 10-packs.
Couple of the 10-packs. We've got a handful of the singles. Which
show me some singles.
So these ones.
And the biggest thing that I'm going to gripe about Ixion is that they're shrink wrapped.
Yeah, I agree.
And because we like to get stuff out, put it in the cabinet.
I know.
And obviously, if we do that,
I was going to bring mine in.
Have you got one?
I totally forgot. I bought a couple. It'll be in the news, which I'm shooting this week. I bought the West Coast Sleeper, the West Coast Power Van, and the V-Line Victoria Club Car. I should have brought them in because I've opened them, had a play with them, run them around.
Good?
Yeah, really nice.
Nice. Are they got lights in them? No.
The Power Vans do, which is why they are. That one, which is why they're a little bit more. So they've got full lighting in them in the front and the rear for the marker lights. They are also DCC ready because you can add a decoder in it and it can make sounds.
21 pin?
21 pin for that. And it will...
I nailed that.
Is that because you read it on the back?
No, not at all.
No, you didn't. Oh, geez. Look at you guys.
Is it 21 pin?
Yeah. Just need to, function decoder. Well, the full decoder set and the speakers, you can get them. It can play the generator sounds. How fun. I haven't done that to mine. I'm happy with the lights.
I make my own generator sound.
Yeah?
Yeah. That's the only sound that they...
Can you give us an...
Oh, it depends on the era.
Yeah.
Depends on the era of the generator.
Not really. It's been the same ones the whole time.
Oh, I don't know.
That's okay. We'll come back to that. But we got the not unreleased, the unannounced.
Like full start, like my generator at home.
Nah, a bit bigger.
Bit bigger?
Yeah. Got to really chuck some light in there. These are the not unreleased. These are the unannounced models. So that's what came in off the back of last week. So these are all modern ones.
Sounds like good marketing. They just...
I just chucked them. Yeah, they said, here's some different ones.
Surprise.
Not great.
Not great?
Oh, I mean, it's great that we've got them.
They'll be sold out.
Oh, yeah.
They're going to sell, right?
Yeah, well, these are as these are now. So these are crew cars with Pacific National.
So you can see them now?
Yeah. Not in Victoria, but...
Why not?
Because these are used on the intermodal freight trains that go between, like, Adelaide and Perth.
Yeah.
So they were repurposed. They were...
Repurposed?
Yeah. Why? So when they came out of...
Were they crap when they were new?
No, they were fine. But when the Overland went from being a sleeper train to a day sitter, which it is now, a lot of these carriages got sold to either preservation groups, in this case, Pacific National, who gutted them and redid the interiors. So they can...
put new deck chairs in them?
A couple of deck chairs, a couple of casting couches, and away you go. Then this one, not this one, this one. So
what are you showing me?
I'm showing you this one.
On the overhead or the front on?
Well, let's.
We're stuck in no man's land.
Nice. So this one is one of the power vans that is with 707 operations. So although it is in original livery, this is how it is today. If you go down to Newport or catch a 707 operations train and they use this is what's on it. It's an exact replica.
What do they do with that?
This is for power. So it's got a big generator in it.
Yeah,
powers the lights, powers...
So they have to put
the dunnies.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. And the fridge.
And the
beer fridge.
Goes hand in hand.
Right,
that's
why I drink red.
Well, 'tis the season.
No fridge needed, my friend.
No.
Ever.
No. Ready to go. But yeah, so that's one of the preservation
ones that comes with a pillow afterwards.
Oh, that's the best one.
Yeah.
It's value for money. But yeah, no, so we got them. We did have some others that I was going to bring in, but they're gone now. So they are still on the website though. So if you do want to order them, you can, and we can get them. It's no stress.
No stress.
We'll probably get another order in because we've got a few.
Get them while they're hot.
Absolutely.
What's this one? Do you want to have a close look
No.
at
Well, this
one?
was just another one of the
blue
the
ones.
current ones.
The blue one?
So we have 3 of those.
Well, we did.
No. There's 3 different ones.
Oh, 3 different
We now
ones.
only have 1 of each left. Yeah. These came in, I think, Monday.
Well, Thunder Turbine's all up in that.
Is he?
He's going to come in. He's going to get all into it. He's been waiting for you to come on.
Oh, wonderful.
He's been
Thank you.
tonguing at the screen.
Excellent. Thank you. Thank you for waiting. And then we got a restock of the Ixion A2s. We just got A2986, which is as it is preserved with Steam Rail Victoria.
Let's have a closer look at that one.
Yeah.
Have we had a closer look at that one yet?
No, we actually haven't.
Why not?
This one's because we sold out last time.
Oh, that's right. We didn't even get them.
Yeah, they went pretty quick.
Didn't
So
they?
this is the latest release from Ixion,
Ixion.
and it is Steam Rail's A2, which is as preserved, which has been running around the network for the last couple of years. Funnily enough, there's a video that will come out on Saturday where I went for a ride behind A2986, and there's a bit more information
Was
about
it?
in that. Yeah,
Was it good?
it was a good day. A couple of beers.
That's not the one where stuck, is it?
No, it's not
No.
the one that broke down.
That's a good one.
Yeah, it's a good one. The A2 is nice. I prefer an R class, but there's nothing wrong with the A2.
Is that Puff and Belly?
No, the R class is the big mainliner. So
Right.
these came out in the early 1900s.
How did you just do that so easy?
So when they come
You
out
just
of the box.
You just like whipped it apart.
Yeah, fast hands. Good cab detailing these though. I will give them that. Some beautiful cab detailing.
Yeah.
Nice and sharp. Yeah,
Get in
Really
the
nice.
show us the valve work. Is that what they call it?
sure.
Oof.
So yeah, quite well detailed cab, which isn't bad.
So this has got power in the tender.
No, so these aren't tender driven. These are loco driven. The tender does have
Pickups.
the pickups, so you've got more reliable pickups across the whole thing.
A good runner.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's also got the decoder in it.
Oh.
So in this, it doesn't really matter which one. If you get a sound one, or you want to convert one of the DC ones to sound, all your electrics are in here. So it makes it quite easy to work on.
Nice. So
But-
that's just effectively DC.
Nah,
A different in there too.
yeah.
Oh, right.
Well, no, not really. Like, it just won't work without that because that's got all the brain in it.
Brains.
This is just the motor, which
Yeah.
has got all the weight as well. So good adhesion to the rail.
Good.
But yeah,
Good tractive effort.
putting them
I'd
together
say.
is pretty easy. It's not like some of the previous models. You just push them together. Like, they come in the box. They already come together.
You're going to jinx yourself now. That you
Yeah,
said
I
it's
know.
easy. You know that, don't
Well,
you?
usually
You-
go again.
The minute you said this is going to be easy is the second
That's
that Murphy come along.
Yeah. But no. They're,
Nailed it.
yeah, got it first go. Yeah, because you can put crew figures in them and things like that, so it makes it easier to work on them. But yeah, so they've been very popular.
Very popular.
Very popular.
No?
Yeah, I mean, this is the second time we've got them in. Like, we sold out the last lot, so we've got the preserved ones now, which is the most
Be a
popular
big
choice.
rundown this month in the news.
No,
Oh.
it was last month.
There you go.